It's... What are you talking about? Discord? I'm not on Discord for the entire month. I'm not on Discord the entire year. Why? It's not. It's not recommended used by me every single day. Oh my god! I love the voice of Yoshi! Laugh at me! Please, please! Pete! Where is... Oh, I thought he's gone. I can fly everywhere. Don't squish me, player! What kind of mess I'm doing to you? I'm not gonna squish you. That's... Oh, music. Where? 10 plus 10? What? 20. Why? 20? 20? It is... 20 is the right answer. Why? Kindergarten, now please. What are you learning? Your mom. What are you learning? What? Graphing. Oh. Wait, tell me now. Shoot some water and then you'll be clean, okay? What? Some kind of water gun tag? Pokemon can... Not every wild type use those kind of stuff. This is the last time. You know, I tried doing it last time, but it fails too. She gets another revenge by that. I don't want to go too far. Oh, you want wash? Here's water. Here's the water. No, I'm clean. Thanks for telling me that. There, Luna, you staying there. Rude kitty. Why is she? Please, fish. You're not so. Could I wash you? But I told you a million times I clean. You're gonna paint props, non-toxic paint. Slice of Winnie the Pooh. Piece of Steve. I will say piece of Steve. I'll go back to where we at. I don't know. Ooh, that Mark to the rescue for reals. He stretches. You had like more subs. Losing subs? I don't mind losing subs. Otherwise, new people will subscribe me. I don't mind losing subs. They can do whatever the heck they want on my channel because they can't just stay subscribed me forever. No, it means like it's still more. You can gain more. 9,900, I think, next box by the time it's here. Don't! Player, it's not funny! Yeah, it is. Help me! Oh my god! Holy mother of God! No! That's not yummy! Clean content you have here, miss. Yoshi is angry. Whoa! Look at him! He's gonna eat you! Don't! Player, whatever you're doing, please stop. Finished! That's the end of the stream. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in tonight. Just kidding. No. Oh, I got you good. I thought I was gonna end it, but it's not April Fool's. You thought I was gonna leave the stream. Here it is. Is this another user? Oh, it's just another newbie user. Yeah, I think so. It's called YouTube Shorts every day. Because, Chloe, every time, this is OBS. I don't have the live chat open. What you can do here is just go and click on this too and see the live chat. Do you want to put it over there too? Next time you do streaming, or you're good. Any type of butterflies. No, your stars. No, your stars. Hold it. You want to do that next time? The next time you stream your stuff, because you haven't done this last year as much. And then the live chat tries to show over there. You see that? That way over there is more fun than plain old. Oh no, it's fine. You can go ahead and check on your whatever device is to. Oh, Jazz, please. This is too much ground. This is eat.
I missed the update from this game. Hi, I'm feeding you stuff. Mewhoo. This game is. Where are my cookies? I don't need any cookies right now. Game over. Game over, bro. I'm done playing. Just kidding. I'm never getting the game over right now. Oh, wow. Finished. I can hear you eat. I can head back.